Hello everybody, welcome to the Mystery Steamboat channel. If you've subscribed already, a big thumbs up to you. If not subscribed, there's a button for subscriptions, there's a bell for notifications when I upload a new video. Now we're doing a little card trick for you now. I've got some Florida cards here. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to do a little willful shuffle here. This is basically going to be a sort of randomised prediction. Yeah. So let's just see. If I look at the camera and I will stop, say about there. Yeah. About there. I need to look down because I can't pull them out. I don't want to like drop on the floor. So I pull them out there, put them there, put them on the top, and then let's just see. That card on the top there is going to be my prediction, and I'll slide it over there. Yeah. So I'll lose those cards there because they aren't a trick. Because my prediction's there, and my prediction is going to be in the deck of cards. So I shall pull out, say, the blue cards, yeah? The blue cards. So, what should we do this one? I'll tell you what, I won't do a riffle shuffle this here. I'll kind of do a cutting the cards. If you was here, you could cut the cards, and it'd be so much easier, wouldn't it? So let's just see. If I look away, I'll look away, let's say about there. Let's see what that card is there, yeah? So let's see. That is not the prediction. That's a card. It's generated a card there. So let's have a look at that card. That's the Jack of Spades, yeah? The Jack of Spades, yeah? So let's just see. The Jack of Spades, yeah? So let's just spell it out, shall we? J-A... Oops. C-K... O-F-S-P-A-D-E-S. Boom. So your randomised cutting the cards has produced that card there. This is my prediction, which was kind of a stab in the dark prediction, but has it come true? What do you think? And that, my friends, is magic.